Hello guys, this is JNM, and in this video I show you how to set up and use your MIDI keyboard in FL Studio 12. This is my digital piano and I connect it to my PC using a USB cable. After that I go ahead and start FL Studio 12 and open Options, MIDI Settings. Here you can see my digital piano in the input and output. And here's a little checkbox that I press to enable it, and I keep the controller type to generic controller. And this is basically all you have to do. Now I press some keys of my piano and you can hear a kick sound. And this is just because the kick is active in the channel rack. And now I activate the snare and then the snare sound is played. But I want to have a piano sound, so let's open the instruments in the packs folder. And we have two pianos here, the grand piano and the close grand. I will try the close grand and drag it into the rack. That's it, and when I hit a piano key now, it sounds like this. Okay, I just learned how to play Fade to Black by Metallica, so let's try a short part. If you find this video interesting and useful, please let me know and don't forget to subscribe. And think about supporting me on my Patreon, this would really help this channel grow. Thanks a lot for watching, add your ideas or feedback to the comments below and see you soon here on JNM.